Focusing on one aspect, mastering editing step by step. Hello learners! Today, we're going to dive deep into one of the most effective editing strategies for SAT and ACT essay writing, focusing on one aspect at a time. By breaking down the editing process, you can hone in on specific elements of your essay, ensuring that each part is polished to perfection. When we try to do too many things simultaneously, we can easily become overwhelmed. This is true in various aspects of life, and especially in editing. By focusing on one element of your essay at a time. 1. You avoid feeling overwhelmed. This means you can give each component the attention it deserves. 2. You're less likely to miss errors. When you're only looking for one type of mistake, you're more apt to catch them all. 3. Your editing becomes more systematic. This systematic approach ensures that no aspect of your essay goes unchecked. Now that you understand the importance of the strategy, here's how you can implement it. 1. Start with structure. Before diving into the nitty-gritty, ensure that the overall structure of your essay is sound. Look at your thesis, topic sentences, and the flow of your arguments. 2. Grammar and syntax. This is where you hunt for those sneaky grammatical errors. Check verb tense consistency, subject-verb agreement, and proper sentence structures. 3. Vocabulary and word choice. Replace overused words with synonyms and ensure that you're using the most precise language possible. 4. Punctuation. Look for missing commas, improperly used semicolons, and ensure that all your quotations are correctly punctuated. 5. Content and clarity. This is your final step. Read your essay out loud. Does everything make sense? Are there any sections that are unclear or redundant? While this strategy may seem time-consuming at first, with practice, it will become more natural. Over time, you'll start to recognize common mistakes you make and be able to correct them more quickly. Remember, the goal isn't just to edit faster but to edit more effectively. So, there you have it. By focusing on one aspect of your essay at a time, you're setting yourself up for success. Not only will this strategy help you catch more errors, but it will also ensure that each part of your essay shines. We hope you found this video helpful, and remember, take it one step at a time. Happy writing and editing!